students. Today I am going to take the next topic of the chapter Financial Management, Concept of Fixed Capital and Working Capital, Factors Affecting Fixed Capital and Working Capital Requirement. Fixed capital refers to investment in long-term assets or fixed assets. Fixed assets are those which remain in the business for more than 1 year. The decisions related to fixed capital are also known as fixed capital decisions or capital budgeting decisions. Now, the factors affecting fixed capital decisions. Nature of business. We have two types of businesses, manufacturing business and trading business. Manufacturing business requires more fixed capital than trading business. Scale of operations. A firm involving large-scale operations requires more fixed capital, means business is operating at large scale, more fixed capital, and business is operating at small scale, then less fixed capital. Choice of technique. If the business is using capital intensive technique, that is machineries, etc., requires more fixed capital than labor intensive technique. Upgradation of technology. Business requires frequent upgradation of technology, requires more fixed capital, then the business do not require upgradations of technology. Growth prospects. Company having higher growth prospects requires more investment in fixed capital. Diversification. When a firm diversifies its business into new areas, its requirement of the fixed capital increases. For example, furniture business entering into a shoe business, then the fixed capital requirement will be higher. Financing alternatives. When the business firms have an alternative of taking fixed assets on lease, then they do not require more fixed capital as compared to when the business purchases fixed asset. Level of collaboration. Fixed capital requirement become less if the business gets collaborated with another firm, as both the firms will share the resources with each other. For example, 2 or 3 banks uses the same ATMs, or they establish the same ATM for different banks. Now, it's time to analyze the case study. Atul is thinking of opening a Caesar's manufacturing plant, as in this it is suggested in the first line that Atul is thinking of starting a manufacturing business. If the business is of manufacturing, then fixed capital requirement will be higher. He requires capital investment. He discusses the project with his father. His father, after listening to his project, tries to find out the fixed capital requirement for his plant. So, what do you think will be the fixed capital requirement? Fixed capital requirement will be higher. Now, Brinda is an MBA pass-out student from a very good MBA college. Her father has a restaurant business. Their company has 15 restaurants in Europe. As soon as Brinda joins the business, she decides to take this number to 25 by opening 10 more restaurants in the major cities of Europe. Means, the scale of operations. Smaller scale will convert into larger scale. That is why fixed capital requirement will be higher. Now check your answers. So this is all about fixed capital requirement. Now working capital. The capital needed by a business firm to meet its day-to-day operations is known as working capital. For example, cash in hand, raw materials, etc. Factors affecting requirement of working capital. Nature of business. Manufacturing firms requires more working capital than trading firms. scale of operation. Higher the scale of operation, higher the need of working capital. Lower the scale of operation, lower the need of working capital. Business cycles. Different phases of business cycles affect the requirement of working capital. In case of boom, the sales as well as production are likely to high. Therefore, in boom period, large amount of working capital is needed. Seasonal factors. Businesses that are seasonal in nature need more working capital at the time of peak season. Production cycle. Production cycle is the time span between the receipt of raw material and their conversion into finished goods. When the business require longer production cycle, then they need more working capital as compared to the shorter time period, shorter production cycle. Credit allowed. Different firms allow different credit terms to their customer. These depends upon the level of competition that the firm faces as well as the credit worthiness of the customers. A liberal credit policy results in higher amount of debtors, that is increasing the requirement of fixed capital. Now, the credit availed. Just as a firm allows credit to its customer, it may get credit from suppliers. When they get credit from suppliers, then less working capital is needed as compared to when the credit is not availed by the suppliers. Availability of raw material. If raw material is easily available, then requirement is less. Otherwise, they have to store the raw material and requirement will be high. Growth prospects. When there is higher chances of growth, then working capital requirement will be more. Level of competition. Higher the level of competition among firms, more will be their working capital requirements. Inflation. When prices rises, when working capital requirement also rises and vice versa. Now it's time to analyze the case study of working capital requirement. An AC manufacturing company wants to open a plant in Delhi. The owner of the company called a meeting to find the experts to fix the plant requirement. The recruitment process of the potential employees who will be working will be started soon. What do you think will be the working capital requirement of this company? And second, Bharat Express specialize in courier services and they help the business firm to make sure that goods are made to the customers at the right place at the right time. Means there is easily requirement of raw material. Then in the first case, working capital requirement will be high because the reason is that it is a manufacturing company and manufacturing company requires more working capital. And in the second, as raw material is easily available and it is a service industry, that is why working capital requirement will be low. This is all about working capital. Thank you.